how to connect Get.io to Google Authenticator. First of all, log into your Get.io account, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner and select Security Settings. Scroll down to Google Authenticator and tap Enable Get.io. It will show you a QR code and backup key. If you don't have it yet, download Google Authenticator from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and tap Enter a setup key and manually enter the backup key. Now go back to Get.io and enter your login password. Email verification code will be sent to your email and the Google Authenticator code from the app. Tap Confirm to enable Google Authenticator. Now save your backup key in a safe place. This is very important because if you lose your phone, you can restore access with this key. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.